Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Humanode coin, the Humanode blockchain. This coin just got listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko recently. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box, and let's get into this coin here. So I keep wanting to say humanoid, but it is Humanode. Humanode. So Humanode. HMND is the ticker symbol for this coin. It's sitting at about 17.2 cents per coin today. According to CoinMarketCap, it is down 13% right now, but that's crypto. Crypto's all over the place. Humanode, it's hard to say. Humanode.io is their official webpage. They have a full CertiK audit listed on CoinMarketCap, along with a white paper, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, blog articles, price chart, and so there's this coin is listed on 2 different exchanges. So if you're looking to purchase this, you can get it off of Bitmart or Kucoin. So basically all you'd have to do is first download Bitmart or Kucoin from the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search HMND, and then simply just buy the Humanode coin. Now, they do have a full white paper. Like I said, it's very lengthy white paper. I believe it was like 75 pages when I opened it up earlier. Yeah, 75 pages of insanely tiny print. And usually that is the case with blockchains, with coins. They're very technical white papers, very lengthy read, as opposed to tokens, or especially meme tokens, which could even have a 1-page white paper. But yeah, Humanode.io is where you're going to find links to their launcher, their guide, exchanges, community, events, learning, interact, about section. So true decentralization of blockchain is finally here. Become the pillar of the most accessible and democratic blockchain ever to exist. So the problem, modern proof of work and proof of stake, Sybil-resistant protocols are inherently plutocratic at the very core. Concentration of capital inevitability leads to centralization in the form of oligopolies and monopolies. The original idea of decentralization is dead, a mere facade behind which validator oligopolies and mining cartels own the networks and dominate the market. So that's the problem. And Humanode's solution, instead of relying on mining equipment or staking, Humanode conducts private biometric verification of its validators to ensure that there is only one unique living human being behind each node. Humanode considers all humans to be equal. Thus, all nodes deployed are equal in terms of fee distribution, validation, and voting. One human equals one node equals one vote. So the tech stack, they have a Substrate framework. So Substrate is a blockchain development framework that enables the creation of custom, scalable, and interoperable blockchain networks. Consensus agnostic protocol, from secure Babe and Grandpa consensus algorithms on the mainnet today to millions of human nodes in the future, a protocol for creating custom blockchains that is independent of any specific consensus algorithm. One human, one vote, the DAO Vortex, so decentralization decision-making system that allocates voting power equally among all individuals in the network. And of course, all these things I'm going over, you could read in super in-depth on their 75-page white paper. Private biometric search and matching, so an artificial intelligence that proves you're a unique human without disclosing any personal information. Also, decentralized auditable liveness detection. Over 60 AI modules to prove there is a real human in front of the camera. No photos, masks, or deepfakes can penetrate this defense. And Ethereum virtual machine compatible smart contract layer. Enables developers to create and execute smart contracts using the EVM. So bash those nasty bots. Tired of bots ruining your socials? Want a simple tool to create Sybil resistant list of humans? Then check out the Humanode's Bot Basher. Bot Basher can be added to your Discord server to ensure that only real humans that underwent Humanode's private biometric verification can join. Learn more about this in the link below, and you can find a go-to Bot Basher link on their webpage. So their partners are listed on here. We got Avalanche is one of them, Paradigm, Subsocial, Supra Oracles, Acon, Bullperks, D-Mail, Impossible Finance, etc. They have their backers on here like Blizzard, let's see, Icon, Bellow, Gravity. I mean, there's a whole list of them. You can go over them yourself here. Get involved with Humanode. So it says initiatives. Hop into the initiatives to help the Humanode community grow and prosper by completing simple and not so simple tasks, and that is coming soon. They also have Bug Bounty. Found a vulnerability? Submit your findings here and learn more about Humanode's Bug Bounty program. That's coming soon. But incubation is available right now. It says, you have a great idea that can be built using Humanode's tech and need help? Submit your project here and begin your journey. Also, crypto biometric authentication at your fingertips. Funnel the revolution using private decentralization biometric auth. It says standard protocol, privacy and security, best biometrics, and you can read about those in the documents. They have tons of socials and links at the bottom of their webpage, including a contact email. There's also a troubleshooting link. So check it all out, humanode.io, and you can find this coin newly listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this coin? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.